for my one function, I'm going to plot these points in, say, yellow, and I'll make a yellow circle for those points. What you can do is for your other function, if you can't do a separate color, maybe you can do a different shape. So like I'll do like, just like, I don't know what color is that, pinkish? Do like a pink box for each of those points, okay? All right, so for f of x, 1, 2, okay, we got the point 1, 2. Cool. And the point 2 comma pi. So pi is a little bit bigger than 3. Up there somewhere. And 0, negative 1. And those 3 points by themselves, that's my f of x, right? All right, so then I plot 2, 1. Like that. Pi comma 2 is about there somewhere. And negative 1, 0. Is about right there. That was unintentional. But my next question was going to be, and it's okay to say no. Do you guys have a pattern at all? Well, it's there. It'll be. Let's make it more pronounced. Let's add a few more points to this, and then we'll find their inverse points, right? So if I added to this collection here. For f of x, if I added the point 6, 1, okay? If I added that point as part of f of x, what would be its inverse point, so to speak? If I switched x's and y's, what would I get? I'd get 1, 6. So in the other color, I'm going to do 5, 6. That one right there. Let's add another point. Let's add the point negative 2, 4. If we do the point negative 2, 4 for f of x, then where is its not reciprocal, but it's the inverse. Yeah, the inverted point. That might be the right way of saying that. All right. Yeah. The inverted point. If this is at negative 2, 4, at 4, negative 2, okay? I don't know if that helped at all. Okay? Do you want to add more points? How about this? How about the point negative 3, negative 3? If you switch x's and y's, what point do you end up with? The same one, isn't it? So like, this point is its own inverse image. Okay. Do we want more? We can do more. Or does anyone think you have a pattern? How about negative 2, 2? If I flip negative 2, 2, I would get 2, negative 2. Wait a minute, I can't do that, then it's not a function. Screw that. Ignore that. I already had a 2, negative 2 there. What else? I'm running out of x values. How about negative 4? Have I tapped that yet? No, not yet. How about -4, 0? If I apply that point -4, 0, and I switch those two, I get 0, -4. Alright, that's going to be the last point that we're going to apply. And I'm going to let you ruminate on that. There's a pattern there, sort of. Here's your hint. When you put functions together, you get the identity function back, right? Y equals x.
They reflect across them?
This is my y equals x line, sort of. Did y'all hear that? Does that work? If I took this point and reflected over that line, do I end up here? Those are, right? These guys, they paired up. These guys, they paired up. That paired up with that. That paired up with that. And this point right here, the one where it was its own, it's on the line itself, right? Does that work for y'all? This is what happens when you graph inverses, okay?